What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Backyard Jeeping. My name is Jarek.
I'm Jonathan.
And today we're going to start the Ford 8.8 rear axle swap series, I guess you would say. So this is going to be part one. So in this one, we're just going to get everything off the axle, get it cleaned up, get everything cut off, and get it ready for whenever the parts come in. So we're still waiting for the brake kit to come in and the axle swap kit, which has the spring perches and shock mounts, everything like that in it. So we're still waiting for that to come in. After that comes in, we'll start on part 2, and then part 3, and then getting this thing actually in the Jeep. So hopefully you guys enjoy this little video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to check out the Instagram and the Facebook at Backyard Jeeping, as well as the online store, backyardjeeping.com. Links for all that will be down in the description below. And let's go ahead and jump into this.
You're right. Wore the wrong clothes for this.
Told you.
I'll go shirtless. I don't care.
Well, we got one side up. There it goes. Oh, yeah.
Gnarly. Shot me.
Had it break?
No. Everything's getting slippery.
Come over to this side.
My schools. That's gonna snap in there.
It's alright, it's getting cut off anyways.
Okay. Oh!
I'm gonna put that back on.
It was scared. I've never seen bolts like that before.
Yeah, me either. I don't think it's supposed to do that. Because the other one didn't.
Yeah, the other side didn't have that. What the hell?
There we go. Hot dog. Bam. Look at that. No, we forgot one, didn't we? Oh, here, let me see it.
Oh, it's been in the wrong way.
Oopsie.
Let's check this on bitch outside. And away we go.
Take these clips off. Let me grab this rotor here, see if I can do it with one hand while holding the camera. Here, hold that.
He can't do it one hand.
There's that. I ain't got no emergency no emergency brake pad left on there either. Daggone. All right, well, I guess I got to get that. Over to the other side, get this rotor off, see what this side looks like. If anybody knows where to get the dust cover at, let me know, because I can't find it anywhere. So I need to add the e-brake kit to the list of stuff that we need now, because I didn't know that they were going to be in this bad a shape. And again, if anybody knows where to get the dust shield at, because I mean, I could straighten it out, but I still got some holes over here on this side. The other side I can just straighten out, so I only need one. So if anybody knows where to get that at, let me know. And let's go ahead and jump back into this.
Put a socket on, put a ratchet on there and crank her. And I'll hold this. Look at you, buddy. Using them muscles.
I mean, they're going to have to come out to do the, might as well, they're going to have to come out for the e-brakes anyways. Oh. Got it. Fuck the camera.
$300 camera. That's what you tell me?
Yeah, true. So as you can see, I'm going to need some new e-brake shoes. So we'll get these taken off, but to get these taken off, we got to take out the axle shafts, and to get the axle shafts out, we got to take the cover off because it has C-clips. So we got everything that was bolted down off. We'll go ahead, crack open the case, get the C-clips and everything out of there. Alright, so remember, anytime you're going to crack open your differential cover, thread in that bolt at the top. It has to be in there tight. It's loosely threaded because once you get this thing cracked open, it's going to go flying there. I mean, they're on there pretty good, especially if it's as rusty and as dirty as this one is. It's going to be on there pretty good. So just save yourself some hassle and a big old mess. Thread in that top bolt just a hair, and then crack her open.
Like we're about to do.
Ooh, yummy. Hold on.
Doesn't smell as bad as I thought it would. Plus I haven't cracked it
Go ahead, crack it open. Oh yeah, if only you guys could smell this. Doesn't smell too bad, actually. Oh yeah.
Like,
There's the inside there. Does not look bad at all. A little bit of dirt, but we'll get that cleaned up. Does not look bad at all. You can't turn it because it's on the thing. It's spinning freely and got no weird noises coming out of it. We got the old nasty ucky gear oil out of it. We took a cookie break. And now we're going to go ahead and get the C-clips out of it. So I'm going to spin this around so we can get to the bolt to get that pin out of the middle. So there'll be a little bolt right here that's going to be holding in your pin. You just take that out. Your pin will drop out, and you'll be able to push your axles in more to be able to expose the C-clip to be able to take the C-clip out. Clean that up with the wire wheel. Alright, so we got the pin out. Now, if J-Dog will push in on that axle, as you can see, there is the C-clip. We'll just take a flathead screwdriver and if I can do this with the camera in my hand, just push her one down, it'll fall down into there. And then we can do the same for the other side. Got both C-clips removed, got this axle shaft out. J-Dog's gonna take this axle shaft out. Oh yeah, yummy.
Where's that $5 at?
Oh, he said $5 and he'll lick it, everybody. What a man will do for $5, huh? Alright, so now since both of the axle shafts are out, I can get the old e-brake stuff off, we can get this old dust cover off, and finally get started on cutting everything.
We're getting ready to cut these perches off. And then after we're done with that, we're going to take a flat disc, wherever the heck they are, and then smooth it down.
Face chat with a banker, you're always welcome at any time.
Okay, so as you can see, we got all the brackets cut off. They're hacked away pretty good. Now I'm going to spend probably the next hour using the flat disc and getting her all nice, smooth, and cleaned up and shiny and ready to be welded on. Which we're not going to be able to weld today because we're still waiting for the brackets, but we're going to go ahead and have everything ready for whenever they do come. So yeah.
Because I ain't a wimp.
Alright guys, we got one side done. We got some of this side over here done. I think I'm going to finish it up tomorrow. I think that we've made the neighbors mad enough today. It's now 7:25. We started this at about 11:30, 12 o'clock. Of course, we stopped and got some lunch and stuff too, but this side's done. All the way all the way flat disced up.
We did
Nice
use
and
the cutoff wheel though.
We did use the cutoff wheel a lot. I highly recommend to use like a grinding disc or something rather than using a flat disc. But she's nice and smooth, and she's ready for the leaf spring purchase and the shock mount. Yeah. So we'll be right back with you guys. This isn't the end of the video. It might sound like it, but the next clip you'll see will be tomorrow. Alright, so I know it's probably been 1 millisecond for you, but it's actually been 3 or 4 days for me. I know the last clip I said the next day, but we got hit with a really bad thunderstorm that night. Knocked out power for everybody. Now we're getting hit with a really bad heat wave, and I've been super busy at work. Sounds like a bunch of excuses, but trust me, it's not. I'm a hard-working man, and this heat is killer right now. I don't know if you can see me sweating or not, but this heat has been killer. But I'm down in the garage finally, getting this thing cleaned up on the other side. The last part was doing the one side. Now I'm on the short side of the axle, getting this ground down smooth. So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you've made it this far and stuck around for this long, which I hope you have, just a little bit more grinding left, and I'm actually going to be done with it. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys this. Okay, sorry for the lighting. I'm running out of daylight here, so I just got this light right here, but hopefully you guys stay to the end of this video. I know it was probably pretty boring and not a whole lot of talking, but this will probably be the most boring part of this. This is just part one. Just stripping it down, getting it all the way down to here, so that way we can get the axle swap kit welded on. The only thing I have left to do is just throw a wire wheel on the grinder, get this all cleaned up. I'm not going to bore you guys with that. So if you have stayed to this part at the end, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment down below. Also, check out the Instagram and the Facebook at Backyard Jeeping, as well as the online store, backyardjeeping.com. Links for all that will be down in the description below. Dirty, hot, sweaty, but I got another hour or so left in here. But I won't bore you guys with that, so I will see you in the next video.